Hey everyone, welcome to DECOR My Little Globe. Are you ready to embrace the beauty of autumn and transform your home into a cozy haven for the season? Look no further. In this video, we are bringing you the latest and most inspiring fall home decor ideas. Join us on a journey through the hottest trends and timeless classics that will elevate your space to new heights of seasonal charm. From welcoming entryway displays to creating a warm and inviting living room, we have got tips, tricks, and DIY projects that will make your home feel like an autumn wonderland. Discover the color palettes and materials that are stealing the show this fall. Explore innovative ways to incorporate nature's treasures like colorful leaves, pumpkins, and gourds into your decor. We will also unveil creative table settings and centerpieces ideas that will make your fall gatherings unforgettable. If you are a lover of all things cozy, we have got you covered. Learn how to layer your space with plush blankets, rustic textures, and candlelit warmth. Fall is the season of huggy, and we will master it. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse aesthetic, a modern minimalistic look, or something in between, our fall home decor ideas have something for everyone. Get ready to be inspired to create a home that captures the essence of this magical season. Fall is all about rich warm colors like deep reds, oranges, yellows, and earthy tones. Bring the outdoors in by using natural elements like pumpkins, gourds, acorns, and fall leaves for centerpieces and table decoration. You can also use dried flowers and twigs for a rustic touch. Add warmth and coziness to your home with soft textured textiles. Think about using foxglove straws, plaid blankets, and neat pillow covers to create a comfy atmosphere. Decorate your porch or entryway with pumpkins, mums, and fall-themed welcome mat. This creates a warm and inviting entrance for guests. Candles in autumn scent like pumpkin spice or cinnamon can add both ambience and fragrance to your space. Place them in decorative candle holders for an elegant touch. Hang a fall wreath on your front door or indoors to welcome the season. Create a eye-catching centerpieces for your dining table or coffee table using items like glass vases filled with mini pumpkins, candles, or fall flowers. So, are you excited to use her in the autumn season in style? Hit that play button and let's explore the world of fall home decor ideas together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more seasonal inspiration.